Hello friend, my name is Yukichiku. Um, I'm also known as Fire. I'll be teaching you guys how to use Github to work as a team. Um, I know this is difficult sometimes, confusing, but I'm going to try my best to make you guys understand it. Now, this is my repo. This is my repo. It's my repository. And this is a company repo, Vida ICT solution. I want to work with these people. So this is like the head repo that everybody comes together and meet and do a project and send to them and they get paid, or they just work as a team in our own case. Now I'm going to create a new repo here and I'll call it an travel fun. Now I'll create travel fund. I'm going to initialize the readme file, so I have something inside my repo. Now I have travel fund created in the head repo. Now there's nobody's working with them yet until they when you fork this project, you start working with them. That's how they track who works with them. That's where the fact we can track through commit, but you have to fork this project. Fork your own copy of your isolation fund to your account. That's what this thing does. Now this place, now because I am the head repo, I'm going to create every necessary branch before they start forking. I'm going to create front end. I know I need front end, guys. Yes, I created front end. I'm going to create back end depending on what I'm doing, why I need those branches. I'm going to create UI/UX. Maybe I could create one, call it testing if this is needed. I don't think it's needed enough for now. Testing. Okay, now we have 5 different branches, the master, including a master branch. Okay, now this repo has been updated with the thing they need to work. This is the only thing you need to allow in your master branch readme file. Then now I'm going to fork this project to my own personal account, and now it's forking to my personal account. Okay, now I have this repo and I'm going here. I'll go to this place, and so we have it on different tabs to kind of understand our work very well. Now we have this repo here, so this is back. Now this is Unicode Fire's account, and he has hooked this Vida ICT solution travel fund, and this is the company account I want to work with. So if I check the branches, I have all branches that have been created by this company Vida ICT solution. Everything is here, and I am on master branch. And remember, as a good user of GitHub, you know, and you're working with a team, you know that master branch is not where you push to, rather you do your pull request to. Rather, I'm working as a front-end developer. I'll do my pull request to this place. So this is where I do everything for back, and this is where I'll compare. So right now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clone this into my system. Remember I said I'm working as a front-end developer, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to clone it to my system. So I'm cloning this. Click this button, the green button, click here to clone, then go to your any direction in your system. Okay, I'm here. I'm opening git bash here. I'm going to open git bash here, and I'll say git clone, paste the URL, and it's cloning travel fund, and you can see travel fund is already here. So I'll cd into travel fund. This is travel fund folder. Am I correct? Yeah, am I correct? Travel fund folder. Now look at this place. I'm inside travel fund folder. Let me open it for you, and we have the readme file already there, chef. And this is master. We're on the master branch, and remember I said I'm a front-end developer and I'll be working with the front-end branch at the head repo here. I will be working with the front-end branch here. I have no business to do with the master. I will be working with the front-end branch. So now what do? I will create a different branch that does not exist here, maybe on my name. something, that's where I push. Since I'm just a front-end developer, I'll create a branch on my name there and push to my branch. So what I do is, this is how how it works. Now I've forked this project and I want to add something new. I will open my system. I'm going to create a new file here. Let's open this in Github. Sorry, let's open this on VS Code. Super cool. I want to add new file. So VS Code is opening. So now this travel file is inside my system. I'm going to create a new file. Now say index.html. Now this is index.html. I've created something. Maybe if I just do doc type HTTP, sorry, HTML. I don't know why this highlighting is not working. Okay, I think I saw it now. Doc type. It's weird. Anyway, doc type. So sorry. So all this doesn't really matter anyway. I just want something to just be here. I don't know why this highlight is not working. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I just want something to be here. Okay, I don't want to waste time. So we have something here. Alright, now this is what we have done. This is what GenieCodeFire has done, and inside the travel found folder he has it there. Now GenieCodeFire wants to push to the company's repo that I have done something and I need to get paid. GenieCodeFire don't push to the company directly. He pushed his own branch to his own repo that is connected to this system as of this time. So I don't push to master. You don't push to master. What do? You have to create a branch. Create git checkout. Look at the command I'm using. I'm using git checkout. Okay. Git checkout -b. To create a branch, you do -b. Then you give the branch a name. Let me say GenieCodeFire front. I've switched to a new branch. Look at this place, that's changed to a new branch. And remember, this branch does not exist on your online repo. It's not found here. The branch is not in this place. It's on my local machine right now, but when I push it, you will see it here. So right now in my system, I'm going to say git add all. Git add all. I'm going to say git add all. Now git commit. So we need to commit what we have done. So git commit index. Let me say index.html done. Committed, that's what I've done. Now I'm going to do git push origin. Now this place, I won't say origin master, I'll say git origin GenieCodeFire _front. So this is going to push to my branch. To that, it will create this branch online. Let's create this branch online and push whatever I've done here, this new thing and everything here, to that branch. So let's wait while I push. Okay, that's pushed. That's pushed to my online. But now, if I go to my system and refresh the page, I should have. Oh, good. Look at it here. I have the branch already created, and this is the whole work. Look at the index.html. And let me go to my master and show you that there's nothing in the master. If I open my master, look at my master, there is only readme file there. So my branch is the only thing having that thing, because this is where we're going to do our pull request from. So now I've pushed to this place. So I want to ignore this compare and pull request, ignore this thing. Now I want to do a pull request from this branch to Vida Iced Solutions front end branch. I'm going to do it to front end branch, not their master. Please be very careful of this place. Not the master, the front end branch. Now this is the branch GenieCodeFire front. I'll click pull request. Now I'm doing a pull request now to this place. See, why it brought me to this place, because everything is organized. This is the only thing I've done in this code. So in this actually repo. So look, this is me. This is me. This you guys should be very careful about this place. This place means you. Why here is your company you're working with, the place you're pushing to, you're doing your pull request to. So I'm doing pull request from Unicode Fire, this place. This is the repo. I'm doing from, sorry, oh damn, sorry. Okay, sorry, let's do it again. Sorry. Okay, let's click it again. Pull request. Let's click pull request. Okay, we're back there. This is my repo. I'm doing pushing from my repo. I'm pushing from this branch. I'm pushing to not the master, to the front end. This is where you guys should be very careful. I'm pushing to the front end, from my own repo to the front end, to the company's repo. Then now I say HTML done. Then I create a pull request. Now I've done a pull request. Now if I go to the Visual City solution, click code, the head branch, I should see a pull request here. Then when I click the pull request, this is the pull request from Unicode Fire. See, look at it. It's telling it sending Unicode Fire to front end branch, not to master. So now if I open it, I'm the admin in this particular head repo. So I'm going to see the pull request, and it will tell me the branch has no conflict with the base. Do you know why? Because we forked this project into our repo and we got everything this project has as of that time. So there's no conflict yet. So when I merge this pull request, because there's no conflict, I can easily merge them inside into the front end branch. Now if I go to, this is Visual City solution. If I go to the front end branch, now the master still don't have that index. What has the index is the front end. If I open the front end branch, wow, look at it. This is the index.html. It has been pushed here. It has nothing to do with the master. Now that's it. Okay, now this is the second part I want to show you guys about. Now you've done everything. Now let's just imagine, now this is let me go back to my repo. Let me go back to Unicode Fire repo. Okay, now this is Unicode Fire's repo. Okay, please be patient. Alright, this is the place. I'm going to the place I did my pull request from. This is where I did the pull request from, the branch I'm going to be working with on my local machine, and that's where the index.html file is. Now if I check my other branch, that's the front end branch, my front end branch does not have index.html. There's nothing there. Why the Visual ICT solution branch has, the front end branch has the index.html. Look at it, index.html. Now how do I get the updated work? Imagine Victor, Michael, James has done a pull request to front end branch, and you also have done pull request to front end branch, and you did, let's say Unicode Fire did index.html, Victor did about page.html, and Michael did signup.html, and now you have index.html on your own branch, the place you did pull request from, not your front end branch, and everybody pushed to front end branch on the head repo. Everybody pushed to this place. So here now is having index, about page, sign up, and the only thing, and you need to get the updated work so you can continue working. Then you have to come to the front end branch in your own repo. You're going to come to the front end branch in your own repo and compare. Please be careful. I'm not doing anything with the master. And compare. Now this is where it's going to ask you. You are comparing from front end to front end. Switch basis. Click this button. Switch basis. When you switch basis, whatever is in, then you click this button. You get to this place. You create the pull request. Then now you have done the pull request to yourself. So now click the code. Okay, this is the pull request. Okay, click it. So you have to merge it. Alright, Now go back to your code and open the front end branch. Good. Now your front end branch has index.html. You see how we did it? I compared, and when I was comparing, I switched bases, and I also did a pull request, and I merged my pull request in my own repo, and everything came to the front end branch. So I have the updated work. Now what is the next thing I need to do? I need this updated work front end inside my local machine. I will go to my local directory. This is my local directory where I'm working from. I'm going to open this. This is my git bash. So now what am I doing? I need to pull what is on front end branch inside my local machine. So I'm not going to check out to the front end branch, because I can do that. There are many ways you can do. You can check out to the front end branch and pull it down, or you can just do git pull. Name of the branch. The name of the branch is what? Front end. So our front end does not appear to be given. It could not read the remote. So please make sure you have a correct access to this repository. Okay, sorry. Let's do. Let's check out to this. Let's check out to the front end branch. Git checkout. Okay, let's do that first. Okay, now git pull. Okay, we just pull in the front end branch. I'm going to say git checkout. I'm going to say git. I want to go back to my other branch, this branch here. Let me copy the name. Remember the name. So git checkout. When you're creating a new branch, you write git checkout B. But if you're switching to the branch, just do git checkout. So it goes to the branch. So now I think we have pulled everything from the front end branch into our local machine, and we can do our job here. Now let me do another example again. Let's imagine now I go to my head repo inside the front end branch, and I'm going to add something inside this HTML. Inside HTML. Okay, let me say someone just came inside this my code and updated this thing to something like this, and saved. Commit to that changes. Okay, this person has updated what I did. Now I don't have that current updates right now, so I'm going to go back to my front end branch, and I'm going to compare. I'm in my front end page, compare. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright, okay, I'm there. So I'm going to go to the front end branch. Front end branch, then I'm going to compare. Okay, check availability, create a pull request, merge pull request from this 10 years, create pull request. Alright, okay, merge pull request. Please be patient. Alright, okay. Okay. Alright, I have the updated work. I've done the whole comparing and everything, the pull request. Now I have the updated work in my own repo. Okay, that's not my own repo. Sorry, it's not my repo. Okay, I don't have it yet. Okay, I don't have it yet. So let me compare. So now I want to get that updated work from the head repo. Look good. Now I'm going to switch bases. Switching bases from my own to there. So I'm going to create a pull request. I'm going to get the updated work. I want to get that updated work from the head repo that someone just pushed there. It's checking for availability. Now I'm going to merge the conflict inside my own front-end branch, and I should have it by now because of this blue icon merged. So if I go to my code, I'm giving you guys another example so you guys can follow up too. If I go open the front end and open the index, look at it. I have a new work. I have the new work inside my repo, and this is my Unicode file account. Now in my system, in my VS Code, I have this. So I'm going to do git pull to front end. So front end does not appear to be a git repository. Could not read from remote repository. Now look at this thing has happened before, if you remember, and it made me to check out to the front end branch and do the git pull myself. But there's actually a way we can do this. There's a way we can do this thing. If you don't have the strength to be pulling to the front end branch every time and doing this git pull all the time, just like before me I do git pull from front end branch, I have to do git checkout. I have to do git checkout to the front end branch on my local machine. Do checkout on my local machine before I do git pull. Before I do that git pull, which is gonna be easier, I can just do it from that same branch, this branch I'm working with. I can do it from this same branch I'm working it, but this is gonna be a different way. How do I do it? I will go to the repo, my online repo. Then I will go to the code. I'm going to clone this guy. Look at what I did. I cloned that guy. Then I'm going to say git pull, paste that guy there. Then I will now write the name of the branch I want to pull in inside this place. Git pull front end. Now hit it. I need to pick it in. You guys will learn something cool. Now look at these places. This thing indicates that there's the changes. Plus was added. 4+ was added. This is some to remove. 1 file change, 2 insertion, 2 delete. So 2 things was deleted and 2 things was added. That's what it's trying to tell us. Now let's open my VS Code and see what is there. Look at it, bro. Look at it. Everything has changed. So this is how the work goes. You understand? Now if a company, you did something and someone updated your work from the company and you follow the process very well, you will see the updates, you see the modification, because everything, sometimes when you build something, doesn't mean that it's going to stay there forever. Someone can update it, you will see the modification, but you're still part of the team and you're still working. So this is the tutorial how to work as a team using GitHub. Thank you very much.